Welcome to another video. If you want to learn how to make this Merry Christmas ornament card with ribbon details, keep watching. Here are all of the supplies you need to make this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. I always start by drawing out the design in pencil. I used a circular object I had lying around. I think I used a cup or a small bowl to draw the outside circle of the ornament. And then I just went in and free-handed in the Merry Christmas text and the rest of the design. Once I had everything drawn in pencil, I took a thin red pen and outlined the lettering and the rest of the design. In theory, you could use the thicker pen that you're going to use later on to color in the background, but I had this laying around and I just found it made the outlining easier. Once everything is outlined, you can switch over to your thicker pen. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pens, and the exact red color that I'm using is linked in the description box below. And essentially what you want to do is just color everything in red besides the lettering and the other design features. Then once you have everything colored in, open up the card and take your pencil and draw a small circle in the top part of the ornament that you're going to cut out to allow the ribbon to pass through. Then take a pair of scissors, or here I have kind of a paper cutting tool to cut out that small piece of paper. You also need to cut around the top part of the ornament so that you can thread the ribbon through this part and so that it sticks out a bit. Then take your ribbon, fold it in half, and thread it through the top part and that hole that you had just previously cut. You can arrange it however you wish. I chose to have mine kind of go off to the right. The final step of this card is to take a pair of scissors and to just trim the ribbon to your desired length. And once you have the ribbon trimmed, this unique Merry Christmas ornament card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this Christmas card yourself. Thanks for watching.